On day 2 of his visit to Ethiopia, Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi will pay a visit to Ethiopia's Adwa Memorial and lay a wreath. He will then head to the country's parliament where he will deliver a keynote address. Following his visit to Ethiopia, PM Modi will head to Oman. Upon arrival, Prime Minister Modi noted the extraordinary hospitality, with Prime Minister Abiy personally receiving him at the airport. The two leaders visited the Friendship Park and the Science Museum before holding wide-ranging discussions with Ethiopian leadership. During his visit, the Indian Prime Minister was also greeted enthusiastically by the Indian diaspora. Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Ethiopian Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed Ali officially elevated the relationship between their two nations to a strategic partnership with agreements on customs cooperation, a new data center, UN peacekeeping training and debt restructuring under the G20 framework. Discussions also focused on critical sectors such as food and health, security, digital public infrastructure, and capacity building. The two leaders also committed to deepening cooperation in energy, pharmaceuticals, medical tourism, and the supply of critical minerals. Prime Minister Modi was conferred with Ethiopia's highest civilian honor, the Great Honor Nishan of Ethiopia, by Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed Ali. He dedicated the award to the 1.4 billion people of India. Ethiopia's top honor marked the 28th Top Foreign State Award bestowed on PM Modi.
आज हम भारत इथियोपिया संबंधों को स्ट्रेटेजिक पार्टनरशिप पर उस स्तर पर ले जा रहे हैं। ये कदम हमारे संबंधों को नई ऊर्जा, नई गति और नई गहराई प्रदान करेगा। भविष्य की अपार संभावनाओं को साकार करने के लिए एक स्पष्ट रोडमैप तैयार होगा।
The two-day visit undertaken at the invitation of Ethiopian Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed Ali marks Prime Minister Modi's first official visit to Ethiopia and his third visit to Africa this year. After wrapping up his visit to Ethiopia, Prime Minister Modi will head to Oman as part of his final leg of his three-nation tour. There he will meet Sultan bin Tariq and mark 70 years of the establishment of diplomatic relations between India and Oman.